Amazon advertising provides you with the tools you need to measure success. After your sponsored products campaign is live for a couple weeks, it's important to review your advertising performance on an ongoing basis to make the most out of your investment. In this video, we'll explore the metrics available in Campaign Manager to help you evaluate your ads' performance and measure success. To get started, head to Campaign Manager and choose the time frame for which you'd like to review your metrics. We recommend reviewing at least a week's worth of data at a time. The longer the time frame, the more data you'll have to better evaluate performance. In the campaign's dashboard, you'll see spend, sales, and ACoS. Spend is the amount you have spent for clicks on your ads. Sales are the total product sales generated from clicks on your ads. This total includes sales of the SKUs you advertise in your campaign, as well as sales of other SKUs attributed to clicks on your ads in this campaign. Keep in mind that sales may take up to 12 hours to appear in reports. Sales attribution are calculated a little differently for vendors and professional sellers. Sales attribution for sellers is tied to the seller account that is advertising the product. After a shopper clicks on the ad, Amazon will attribute any order the shopper places for that product and any of the other seller products within 7 days. Sales attribution for vendors is tied to the sales that occurs within the same marketplace and brand as the advertised product, limited only to sales by Amazon sold ASINs and not including third-party sellers. For sponsored brands, sales are attributed to the advertised product plus any products under the same brand, including sales by Amazon sold ASINs and sales by third-party 3P sellers. Sales is the total dollar value of your brand's products sold to shoppers within 14 days of them clicking on your ad. Sponsored brands attributed sales excludes canceled orders and payment failures. ACoS can help you understand the return on your ad spend. A lower ACoS indicates you're spending less of your sales revenue on advertising. So what is a good ACoS? That depends on your business, but here are a few things to consider. What are your margins on the advertised products? What is your advertising budget? What are your sales goals? Do you want to generate demand and boost visibility? Are you comfortable spending more to attract shoppers for repeat purchases? Your business objectives will help you determine your target ACoS. If you're looking to dig a little deeper into your performance metrics, select any campaign to view your individual campaign metrics, or visit the Advertising Reports tab to download the search term report of metrics for further review and optimization. The search term report will provide insight to the actual search terms entered by shoppers searching on Amazon that resulted in at least one click on your ad. In addition to spend, sales, and ACoS, here you can see impressions, which is the number of times your ad is displayed to Amazon shoppers, and clicks, which is the number of times your ad is clicked by Amazon shoppers when it's displayed. This tells you how many people clicked through to your detail page from the ad. To view each ad's performance, just click on the campaign name. Here, you'll see each product in the ad group and the impressions, clicks, spend sales, and ACoS for that product. That does it for our overview of advertising metrics. Download the search term reports from the Advertising Reports tab on a regular basis to keep track of your ad performance. You should now have the basics for monitoring and refining your Amazon advertising campaigns to meet your goals. Stay tuned for the next video in the series. We will cover campaign creation for a sponsored products campaign with manual targeting.